So this is my first video. I am legally blind, so pardon the mess behind. It's hard for me to figure out how to pick all that stuff up, but I set it up so that it doesn't make a huge difference if it just continues to pour on top. I've been trying the pouring and the blowing art, and it's been kind of hard. Um, anyway, so this is the latest attempt. This one is I was thinking of my sister in California. So I used blues and some gold because of the Golden State. And yeah, so this one is for Fina. Also, I've been having some trouble with my paints. Obviously, it's a little hard to figure out how to mix, and then also colors and stuff. So I'll just kind of show you. So, and again, you see all my mess down there. But if you can see how like my paint continues to like break on me, so I don't know why. I've tried Floetrol, I tried Guol, I've tried that Montmart PVA glue, and it all breaks on me. So I'm not sure what's happening. Mom says that she thinks it's that I put too much paint. So anyways, if you have any ideas, I certainly would appreciate some help. Thanks.